There is something so extra special about 24701 Bell Green here in a fabulous neighborhood of Lake Forest. Now, beginning with the kitchen, everything has been completely redone. Beginning with the countertops, how fabulous are these? The other thing is the high-end stainless steel appliances. Now, how about a 6-burner cooktop? I also love the farmhouse sink. Those are so popular. Check out the cabinets. The cabinets are custom. But the other thing that's really nice is the open floor plan. Now, when I first walked into this house, I thought, gosh, this seems so light and bright. What is it? Then I noticed there's a skylight in the kitchen, there's a skylight in the family room, and the recessed lighting is fantastic. As I said before, there are so many places in this house that are so cozy, but I think this is my favorite. It looks quaint. It has the fireplace and of course the raised hearth where you can sit and kind of hang out with family and friends. There's also a really cool dining room area, plenty of room for a big table or something cozy, whatever your style is. Now also in this house you will find throughout beautiful flooring, and it's got the light color that really just lifts up the vibration to really be light and bright and really good energy. The other thing that's an extra bonus is the 325 square foot sunroom that really is just spectacular. Now this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Of course, there are 2 guest bedrooms, but the one I really love is the whimsical bedroom that looks out onto the bench, the swinging bench on the front porch. And the bathroom serving the 2 extra bedrooms is also fully remodeled from top to bottom. Okay, now in my opinion, everyone's master bedroom should be their sanctuary. And this master bedroom is magical, it's good size, you can fit whatever size bed you want in here, and of course it has an adjoining master bathroom. But here's what's really cool. Now I love the barn door look, those are really popular these days. Most of the time your barn door will slide over to one side or the other, but if they did that, this really would have been blocked off. So what the seller did was they found a foldable barn door. Now I've never seen that. Isn't that totally cool? Now stepping into the master bathroom, look how roomy this is. Now first off, 2 sinks are always wonderful. The countertops are absolutely beautiful. Of course, there's new cabinets, new fixtures, and who doesn't love an oversized master shower? Now the first thing is the frameless shower door, and I like the beautiful use of the materials and also the fixtures. Heading upstairs, you'll find an additional bonus room. Now, the first thing I noticed was the spectacular wood beam ceilings. It's so light and bright. Now, in this room, you could use it for a game room, or what about turning it into a 4th bedroom? And check out this beautiful deck that overlooks the resort-like backyard. Now, speaking of the backyard, check out this beautiful and serene backyard space. Now, my eyes were drawn immediately to the pool. We're in Southern California. Who doesn't want to take a splash? The other thing I love is the fire pit area. There's plenty of room for a big table area for your family and friends. The other thing is all the beautiful, new, gorgeous landscaping. And listen, privacy is something most all of us are looking for, and with the extra high fencing, the seller's got you covered there too. There's so many reasons to love this backyard space, enjoy family and friends, and make lifelong memories. Now, as I mentioned before, there's something just really extra special about 24701 Bell Green. The sellers have done such a fantastic job remodeling this home. All you'd really have to do is move in and enjoy. Now, I mentioned earlier I love sitting by the fireplace, but now that I'm sitting here in the bonus room, I have to tell you, this is my favorite, especially overlooking the beautiful backyard. I'm Jules Wilson with 7 Gables Real Estate. I would love to schedule a private tour with you and help you to make this your dream home.